In this video, we will cover what to do when you get a num-rec sync error on the Ag Leader PF3000. Press the menu button, press Setup, press Card, press the down arrow until Log File is highlighted, press Edit, press Create File, We have now covered what to do when you get a num-rec sync error on the Ag Leader PF3000. For more information on Ag Leader products, please refer to your local Ag Leader dealer, other tutorial videos on the Ag Leader YouTube channel, or the Ag Leader Knowledgebase at support.agleader.com. To find an Ag Leader dealer in your area, please visit our website at www.agleader.com and use the Find a Dealer feature located on the homepage.